Okay, we're just about to go into the Palladium room where this great event is about to happen. Can't wait. Okay, we're just about to go into the Palladium room. We're going to see some fantastic motocross history here. Already there's lots of riders assembling. I can see Anthony Gunter, Stephen Gall, Craig Dack. They're all here. They're all going to have a great night. Let's go and have a look.